isolate the existence of the Aita brothers here because long before the American soldiers came here and converted the Subic Forest into military facility, Aitas po had been living here whose cultures had been preserved for hundreds of years. So yung mga grandfather nila had once taught the American soldiers about the jungle survival technique. Okay guys, first then, dragonfly this or Sailatotobi is a one-species swarming dragonfly in the air. It means of some typhoon or calamity will come. Very simple but very important for them because that is their way to forecast their weather. So bakit wala silang electricity? Notices na radios pag nakakita na sila ng tutubing lumilipad, ibig sabihin tag-ulan na or may paparating na bagyo. Any volunteer from bus 5? Sino sa nagmamalaki ninyo? Ito dapat parang kaya nakakahag na din. Okay, palakpakan natin si Kuya. Jagat kayo na. Ikaw na ka. Okay, next batch guys. Iwas na lang kayo dyan. Sabi po na kayo kasi papanahin yung dalawang puto. Okay, monkey dance or silong score?
Ay, sorry po, sorry.
Kuya Jessie. So, para sa mga ito brothers.
Oh my God!
Wala sa animals inside the big forest can match the skills of monkey in terms of hunting and foraging. Ayan yung highlight ng dance nila.
Oh my God!
Okay, monkey dance. Perfect.
Ang galing!
Okay, that's it. More than sa ng pagbabayani. So, para sa mga ito brothers, kasi na yung pinakamagaling sa maya will be the best fighter for their tribe. Ingat na lang kayo guys, kasi sometimes they release their arrows accidentally. Mostly kung ano yung suot ng, kung anong kulay ng bahag nila, ganun din yung tinatamaan nila.
Paano yung dalawa lang yung pana? Marami yung kulay ng bahal.
Saka yung mga nagtatago.
Ay, hindi. Iba yung nagtatago.
Okay guys, so that is the end of their mini but humble presentation. Palakpakan po natin yung mga tamangers natin. I hope that you enjoyed the small presentation of our item.
Wala ko ba papana?
Okay, tayo na kayo lahat. Wala na guys eh. Tayo na, let's proceed na relax attraction para tayo. Okay. Okay, dito na tayo everyone.
Eh, papay